In this video, I am going to show you how to fix error code 268 on Windows for you Roblox. So they should be a quick and easy process video. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead to your Roblox player, right click on it. You can see, just go ahead, click on properties, and now this window will open up. For you, just click on compatibility. As you can see, program as administrator is checked. Then click on apply and OK. After that, just head to shortcut and click on open file location. So just give it a moment. Then go ahead, right click on Roblox player better. Click on properties. After that, click on compatibility again and checkmark to run the program as administrator. After you do that, click on apply and OK. Now all you have to do again is to right click on Roblox player and better. As you can see, then go ahead to click on show more options at the bottom. So just click on it in order to find run troubleshoot compatibility. So click on it, and now you can run a troubleshoot on the compatibility of Roblox player better if the problem still consists. So just follow these steps, click on yes, and just wait a couple of moments, then choose Roblox from these apps, and then continue scanning it. Persists, you can always head over to Firewall and the network. Search menu, type in Firewall and network, then just click on open, and now just give it a couple of moments for the firewall and network protection to open up for you. Then click on allow an app through Firewall. After that, just make sure to find Roblox in the app, scroll down until you find Roblox, choose it, and then click on OK. After that, just research your computer for changes to take place. As always, thank you for watching.